What's up guys, this is Sonny back with another video, and today I have a quick unboxing for you guys. As you guys can see, I have a SFX power supply here. It's a small form factor power supply from Apevia. It's a great power supply if you are planning on building like a mini ITX build. You should definitely go with the SFX power supply. Now the case I'll be using for this build is a Silverstone Raven RVZ02V case. It's a really nice case. Basically I'm building this PC for like gaming purpose and like light video editing. So this PC basically I'll be taking anywhere I go. Like if I'm going somewhere for like a week, I want to take that PC. I don't want to take a laptop with me. Now as you guys can see, so the power supply does comes with 124 plug for the motherboard, and then it comes with 4-pin or the 8-pin option for the CPU, also 6+2 pin for the graphics card, and also it comes with 3 SATA cable as you guys can see, and 2 Molex cable and 1 FDD. So FDD basically for either CD-ROM or the floppy drive, and I don't know why they included that because you can just easily use the SATA cable for CD-ROM. Now let's jump into DC output voltage. As you guys can see, plus 12 volt, okay, right under plus 12 volt, 28 amp. So under max output current 28 amp, you basically whenever you buy a power supply, make sure the amp is higher on the power supply. Now this power supply does come with like really low combined watt, like 336 watt, but it comes with total like 400 watt. So let's just open the box and show you guys what's comes inside the box. So first thing, as you guys can see, there's a little paper. Basically the power supply specs is there, and then we have 4 screws for the power supply, so you can install the power supply with these 4 screws. And also the power supply also comes with a power cable. It's supposed to come with the power cable. And as you guys can see, the power supply is really tiny, guys. I really like the power supply because like most of the power supply like I've been using in my build, you know, they're like, you know, regular ATX power supply, you know, but holding this power supply in my hand, I don't even feel like I'm holding a power supply. Like it just feels funny, you know. I never like I never needed a SFX power supply, like small form factor power supply, so it's like the first time I'm holding one. And as you guys can see, it's really tiny, guys. Now let me compare this power supply with like a 2.5 SSD I have laying around. So it's really tiny, guys. Now the one bad part about this power supply comes with a 90mm fan, and the 90mm fan will be little loud, you know, while like, you know, the power supply is under full load, it will be a little loud, but you have to sacrifice because, you know, you're going with a small power supply and it will come with like a small fan. So as you guys can see, compared to a 2.5 SSD, it's like really tiny, guys. Look at that, you know, it's like almost same size of the SSD. I feel like I think this power supply is almost same size of a 3.5 hard drive, you know, maybe lengthwise little short, but you know what I mean. Also comes with the power switch, as you guys can see, and I really like the power supply, you know. So if you guys are planning on getting the same power supply, I will leave a link in the description for you guys for the power supply and the case I'll be using. Also stay tuned for the build, guys. Maybe this week or next week I'll have the build video for you guys. And with this power supply, I'm planning on maybe running my RX 480. Now I know RX 480 you should go with at least like 500 watt power supply recommended, but I did run RX 480 with my 430 watt power supply, so I'm really excited to see what this power supply will do. If you guys have any other question, leave in the comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the upcoming build. Peace.